We can't do any of this unless we secure it, we enable it. Enter Palo Alto. Tell us what's happening.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the themes that have been brought up already are really what guides our view of doing cloud security, most notably the necessity of doing it in a heterogeneous manner, so it's not tied to just a single cloud provider. I think Brian was mentioning that they're seeing more agencies and more organizations that are adopting multiple different clouds. So just as you want to have FedRAMP in all the places that you're going, you need to have security tooling that gives you that visibility across all those physical locations and physical providers that offer these services. And then to Nicholas's point, as that cloud stack progresses up from just being infrastructure as service, you also need to have those capabilities throughout the application stack. So not just looking at the configuration of the virtual machine, but looking at everything from like the S3 buckets that surround it and load balancers that are there, and looking at it throughout the entire life cycle, not just the asset after it's been deployed, but how do you, as the term often used, shift left and look at those things prior to deployment when that asset just exists as a code artifact, as like a Terraform template or a CloudFormation template prior to being actually created in the cloud provider. And so our view really is to give you that breadth of capabilities across all the different clouds that you use, up and down the stack of technologies, and throughout the life cycle of those applications.